Hello everyone and welcome to the channel, and here's my fourth follow-up video about December 23 feature drop. In this video I will show you even more features I didn't talk about before. I will share my experience about the battery and the performance and show you how Genshin Impact plays on maximum settings on the Pixel 8 Pro after installing December update, because a lot of people confirmed a big improvement when it comes to this game. So without further ado, let's jump in. Let's start with the initial setup, as I spotted a new feature after downgrading my phone from QPR2 to December 23 feature drop, which means I had to wipe everything and start from scratch. In the initial process, I chose to restore my phone from a backup, and after reaching my home screen, I found a notification about the progress of the restore process, and when I tapped on this notification, it took me to a new page that I've never seen before. This page will show you the restore progress at the top, and you can tap on this banner which will take you to another page to see the individual items that are being restored. But at this point, I didn't see anything other than the contacts. I didn't see any apps or anything else being restored in the list. So I'm not sure if this is normal or I should see more. But anyways, back to the previous page, and here it will show you a section for some features that you can customize while the phone is being restored. And when you scroll all the way down, it will show you some tips about the new software update. The second change is related to the password manager, which is something Google talked about in the feature drop article. It says here that the password manager can now identify which of your accounts support passkeys and help you add them with just few taps. So all you need to do is to open Chrome, go to settings and then password manager, and you will see a new tab here called simplify your sign-in. And it says that I have 9 accounts that support passkeys. And when I tap on this banner, it shows the 9 accounts at the bottom with the ability to try a demo to learn more about this feature. So let's tap on try a passkey demo. It says here, learn how to create a passkey, learn how to sign in with a passkey. Let's tap on start. It says here, select the passkey demo account to start the passkey creation. And then you're gonna put your normal details. Then you will see a button called create passkeys and then continue. And then you need to put your fingerprint and the passkey will be created. And that's all you need to do. So you can follow the same steps to create a passkey for any of your accounts. Change number 3 is the ability to use the Pixel Watch to unlock your phone, which is useful in case you have wet hands or you are wearing a face mask or sunglasses, which will definitely impact your normal biometric authentication methods. So let me show you how you can activate this feature. There are 2 ways to activate the feature, either by going to settings and then security and the privacy, then device unlock, and then fingerprint and face unlock. Then you put your passcode and you will find watch unlock over here. The other way is to go to your Pixel Watch app and then security, or watch preferences first and then security, and you will see the watch unlock over here. The initial page will show you a graphical representation on how the feature works, in addition to some extra details. It says here that your watch can unlock this phone when it's within reach on your wrist and unlocked, and you won't need to unlock your watch again while it's on your wrist. When this phone is unlocked, you will get notified on your watch. If it was unlocked when you didn't intend to, tap the notification to lock the phone again. Plus, it gives you a couple of important points to keep in mind. Using your watch to unlock this phone may be less secure than a strong pattern pin or password, and in some cases your watch may unlock this phone even if it's out of reach. And finally, you can deactivate this feature anytime you want. So let's tap on confirm and see what's gonna happen. And it was only a one-step thing. I tapped confirm, I got this screen, you are all set, then tap on done, and now I have the watch unlock feature activated. And if I want to deactivate it later, I need to go to the same page, and I have a delete button here on the right side to deactivate it whenever I want. So let's take a look at how it works. Let me lock the phone. As far as you didn't interact with the phone, it will not unlock itself unless you do something on the screen like a swipe up or tapping a notification. So let me swipe up. It's gonna take some time, and then unlocked by your watch. And here's the notification I got, which I can tap on, and it will immediately lock my phone back again. As you saw, it gets triggered once the face unlock fails to recognize your face, and that's why it takes a few seconds extra. So let's give it another try. And this time it was fast. Also, the notification you get on the watch once you dismiss it there is no way to access it from the notifications shade or the quick settings. So I hope Google will keep it permanent just in case I used my watch in between and I want to lock my phone again. I should be able to do it at any time. I also found that this feature is not as reliable as I expected, because 5 times out of 10 while filming this video, it failed to unlock my phone. So I hope to see it improving over time. And lastly, I also found that you can stop this feature from the watch itself by going to settings and then security. And you will find watch unlock over here where you can delete your phone. Now let me show you a couple of new changes related to the home screen. The first one is in the at a glance widget, and when you go to the customize page, you will see much more options. And for reference, here is how the previous version looks. First, we have a toggle to turn the at a glance on or off, but when I do this, it doesn't remove the whole widget, but it only keeps the date and removes anything else. Let me turn it on back again. And then you will see much more options here. And instead of having only 2 of them like before, now we have things like personalize using Google account data, use your Google activity, assistant personal results, home and work address, Gmail smart features, and location. And each item takes you to the relevant page either under the settings app, Google Maps, Gmail, and so on. When you scroll down till the end, we no longer have this item which is called see more options. This one takes you to the Google app, but now you have everything on the same page, so you no longer need to move away from this app to activate those options, but now you can see all of them on the same page. And the second change in this area, the Pixel Buds home screen widget no longer has this glyph icon at the bottom right corner like before, but it uses a normal app icon. Moving to the settings, and a lot of people mentioned in the comments of my previous video that they now can see the battery and network troubleshooting options under settings for older Pixel models like the Pixel 7 and Pixel 6, where you can access by going to settings, then network and internet, and you will see troubleshoot mobile connection. And when you go to battery, you will see battery diagnostics at the bottom. Next, Magic Editor. Right after installing December update, I found a big improvement on how it works. I'm not sure if it's a coincidence or this is something related to Gemini Nano that Google pushed with December update, but either way, let me show you what I found. So let me start Magic Editor on this photo, and you will see here that my left shoulder is completely out of the frame, and I wanted to move myself to the side by tapping and holding, and then move myself like this, and then let the Magic Editor do its magic. Now it's done, and let me show you how the feature managed to do an amazing job. So when I tap and hold to show you the original, you will see that it was able to draw my left shoulder, plus it was able to complete the letters of the branding on my t-shirt, which is insane, and also drawing the missing part of my right arm using the same exact skin tone. So this is just impressive. Now let's talk about the battery and the performance of this build. Starting with the battery, here is a screenshot from my battery usage. I got 6 hours and 39 minutes of screen on time, 8% battery remaining at 1:52 a.m. and I unplugged the phone at 8 a.m. in the morning the previous day on Monday. Let me show you what apps I used. I used the camera for 40 minutes, YouTube 44 minutes, Photos 56 minutes, WhatsApp 1 hour and 16 minutes, and so on. You will see a lot of apps here. Let me also show you the system usage. The mobile network has been used for 3 hours and 30 minutes and Wi-Fi for 5 hours and 41 minutes. In my opinion, this is an impressive battery life, especially when I use the camera for 40 minutes and I'm still getting 6 hours and 39 minutes. I think that's fair enough. Moving to the performance, and I have to say that this is the best software update I have seen for the Pixel 8 Pro. The device is very fast, responsive, the scrolling is amazing, and it's very hard to get it warm. Even when I do heavy tasks like video calling on cellular data or playing mobile games, the phone still performs surprisingly well. Now let's try to play Genshin Impact for 30 minutes on maximum settings. Right off the bat, the game runs smoothly without a problem. On the top left, you can see the FPS from the gaming dashboard, and it says 30 FPS. But I don't think that this number is accurate because the 8 Pro always shows this number regardless which game I play, while it looks a lot smoother than 30 FPS. But anyways, let's take a look at the performance at different timestamps. Now it's 10 minutes, and as you see, this part looks insanely detailed with a lot of effects like reflections, motion blurriness, and more. So far, the game is still running perfectly well without any lag, so let's take a look at a different timestamp. After almost 20 minutes, I got this graphically intense part where the dragon is getting ready to fight me, and here I saw a couple of drops in the frame rate, but nothing else. And I finished the whole fight without any problems, and the game performance was consistent through the whole period. And here's one final look at the performance before ending the 30 minutes, and everything still works great. No lag, no stutter, or quality issues in the graphics. And I decided to do a quick temperature test after finishing the whole period. The temperature was between 35 point something degrees Celsius up to 37 and maxed out at 39 degrees at one specific spot under the camera. So overall, I think the 8 Pro gaming performance is great after December 23 feature drop. So that's pretty much it for today. That was everything I wanted to show you in my follow-up video after spending a long time with this build. If you have any suggestions or you think I missed something, please let me know in the comments so I can include in my future videos. But for now, thanks so much for watching and see you in the next video.